5 questions to help you uncover your true self. Gaining a sense of who you are is the most powerful knowledge that you will ever acquire. Your ability to fulfill your unique internal passion will determine your ability to realize your potential. This will open the pathway for you to determine the quality and purpose of your life. If you are struggling to uncover your true self, here are 5 questions to consider to help you unlock your life's purpose. What do you love? When you ask yourself this question, you want to consider things in the world and the people in your life that you expressly love. While we can all be cynics and say the world is a mess, deep down there are things in this world that matter to us. Write down those things that fuel you, that you get excited about, and that makes you feel alive. What do you consider your greatest accomplishment? This should be a list of the moments in your life that you are exceedingly proud of, and those times that you felt successful. Accomplishments are realized when you can tap into your inner strengths. When you acknowledge your achievements, carefully think about what it was that allowed you to succeed. What would your purpose be if you knew no one would judge you? This will be those things that get you excited every time you go to your list, and answer honestly and authentically. Tell yourself and then write down everywhere you would go, everything you would do, and even what you would say if you held no fear of repercussion or judgment. If there were no limits, what would you want in life? If you were guaranteed success, what would you want your ideal life to be? This particular question is a real eye-opener for many people because it has you verbalize and list exactly what you think you are missing in your life. When you can align your life with your internal expectations, you can start to work towards the life you genuinely want. What would you do if you had all the money in the world? When we live in the day-to-day world of what if, we can end up getting bogged down with thinking that we aren't reaching our dreams because we don't have enough. For many, it's because they believe they don't have enough money to do what they want. So make a list of everything you would love to do and see happen if you had all the money in the world. When you take the time to consider these 5 questions, you can change your perspective and determine what you need to live a purpose-driven life.